Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. In this class we are going to explain the solutions of some numerical problems in 10th class physics in the chapter refraction of light at curved surfaces. This is a part 1 video. Solutions for some textual problems students. So you can see the textual question number 2 in page number 83. So a converging lens of focal length 20 centimeter is given. When the object is placed at 60 centimeter from this lens, so we want to find the image distance or image position and nature of the image. Students, you can see the diagram. From sign convention, object distance is taken 60 centimeter, and for converging lens, that is a double convex lens, focal length is positive and image distance we want to calculate. So we know the lens formula 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. We want to find v, that implies 1 by v equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Now substituting the values of f and u, that is 1 by v equal to 1 by 20. But in the formula plus 1 by u is there, but u value from sign convention minus 60, that is why minus 1 by 60 is written. LCM is 60. So then 1 by v equal to 2 by 60. On cancellation we can get 1 by 30. But we want only image distance v but not 1 by v. That is why 1 by v is written as v by 1. So this implies 30 by 1, v equal to 30 centimeter. It is a real image, inverted image and a diminished image. Size of image is smaller than the size of object. And this image is formed between focal point f1 and c1. So image distance is 30 centimeter. Next to textual question number 3 students. A double convex lens having radius r and refractive index is 15. We want to calculate its focal length. So it is a double convex lens having equal radii. So double convex lens having equal radii, that is R1 is R, R2 is R, and focal length we want to calculate. Refractive index n is 15 given. So from sign convention rule for double convex lens, R1 is positive and R2 is negative students. So from lens maker's formula, so we can write 1 by f is equals to n minus 1, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. But r1 is capital R, r2 is minus r from sign convention students. So remaining solution, so for this 1 by f is equals to 15 minus 1 of 1 by r plus 1 by r. So 1 by f is equals to 15 minus 1 means 14 and LCM is r, 1 plus 1, that is 1 by f is equals to 28 by r. But we want f but not 1 by f, that is why we are reversing, we are taking a reciprocals. F by 1 is equals to r by 28. So focal length is r by 28 students. That's all the solution for the second one. Now textual question number 15 in the page number 84 in this chapter. So a double convex lens or converging lens of focal length 9 centimeter is given. Two objects. Between the two objects, a lens is placed. Between the two objects, the distance is 24 centimeter is given. That is object O1 and object O2. Between them 24 centimeter is given. To get the image of object O1 and object O2 at the same position, so we want to calculate the distance between the lens and object 1 and lens and object 2. So with what distances we can get their images at the same position students. Let object 1 is placed between f2 and lens. Object O2 is placed between f1 and c1. So distance between object O1 and object O2 is 24 centimeter. So let O1 is forming image. But you know when the object is placed between focal point and lens, it forms a virtual image. When the object is placed between C1 and F1, it forms the image beyond center of curvature C2. So you can see I1 and I2 are the images of object O1 and O2. Their distances from the lens V. So we want to calculate the distance of object from the lens. X is taken, question mark students. So O1 to lens is X, O1 to O2 distance is 24 centimeter, and the distance from lens to object 2 is 24 minus x. So for O1, from sign convention, students, for object 1, object distance is minus x, image distance is minus v from sign convention. So and focal length of the lens is given in the problem, students, that is 9 centimeter. From lens formula we can get 1 by 9 equal to minus 1 by v plus 1 by x. This is taken as equation 1. For object 2, object distance is minus of 24 minus x, multiplying with minus 24 plus x, which is equal to x minus 24. Image distance v is v, students. So from sign convention, object distance only minus and image distance is plus from sign convention, and focal length is 9 centimeter. From lens formula we can get the equation 2, students, and substituting. Now adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2. So on solving, we can get the equation x square minus 24x minus 108 equal to 0. So for 108 we are taking factors, students. So 108 is nothing but, so 18/6 minus 24x can be written as minus 18x minus 6x. So minus 18x equal to minus 18x minus 6x equal to minus 24x. So factors are taken, and substituting, finally we can get x is equals to 18 centimeter, x is equals to 6 centimeter. So it means that keeping the objects on either side of the lens at 6 centimeters and 18 centimeter, we can get their images at the same point, students. So this is the solution for 15th problem. 15th problem. So this is the part 1 video for this problem. So students, part 1 video. Part 1 video. So you can note them in the notebook, and you can practice better, and you can learn better. So this is the chapter refraction of light at curved surfaces. That's all, students. Thank you.